think what I'll remember most about my time at U of M are the experiences, connections, and friendships I've made throughout the years. This past year, especially for our very unique last year of our program, it was really comforting to be able to talk and vent to people who understand exactly where you're coming from. We were able to lean on each other and encourage each other to keep pushing through, even after the year threw us curveball after curveball. From unexpectedly getting pulled out of in-person classes in March 2020 to spending months getting hands-on training on how to treat patients with COVID, to then getting pulled out of those clinical placements a month early to join the workforce. It has definitely been the biggest learning curve of my university career, but I'm very grateful for the experience I've gained from it. I deeply value my education because it's allowed me to become a healthcare professional who is able to care for people, whether they be very sick in an ICU or need some coaching and encouragement during lung function testing. I also really valued the work the RT faculty put into educating us. Even though we weren't a very talkative bunch when instructors tried to engage us in the classroom, they were always very patient and understanding of our learning styles. The effort they put into their work really showed how passionate they are about their job, and it makes it much easier to learn from somebody who enjoys what they're doing. The clinical preceptors in Manitoba also play a big role in our education, as our third and final year are basically clinical placements around the province. So our education fortunately goes well beyond the classroom. I also really valued how being part of the program allowed us to get involved in extracurricular activities for the College of Med Rehab. For example, joining student council and collaborating with students of other faculties was great, not only to meet new people and foster new friendships, but also to know that you were contributing to the college and bringing awareness to respiratory therapy. I'd like to say congratulations to all the graduates. I'm sure you've worked hard to get where you are, and look, the hard times eventually did pass. The learning is likely never going to end, but I believe you can do anything you put your mind to. Some people I'd like to thank for keeping me sane and on track are my family and friends who support me in countless ways, and last but not least, my dogs for being there for my daily therapy sessions.